Hey Dave and Sandra, it's Jay. I just figured I'd make a video, take the opportunity to thank you guys for letting me come out to the island and work on your Model A. I really enjoyed the time there. I also wanted to put together a quick little video so that you would have no trouble getting your Model A ready and running for the parade on Saturday. So come for a quick little ride with me in my 1928 Model A Roadster pickup. All right, welcome aboard. This is the same exact setup as your car. We're going to go over a few things just to make it easier for you on Saturday to make sure that you can get your car running and show it off in the parade. A couple of key features we're going to look at in here is our fuel shut-off. Horizontal is in the off position. First thing we do when we get in the car is we turn the fuel on. Got our ignition key. Over here is our choke lever. We've got our throttle lever, which we don't need to worry about at all. Yours is set to the idle that the car is comfortable with. And on the left-hand side of the steering column is our spark advance lever. We want that in its all the way up position, fully retarded for starting. So when it comes to starting the truck, we've got our fuel on. I'm going to push in the clutch, put my shifter into neutral, turn my key on, and I'm going to hit the button with my foot and just give my choke just a little blip to get her started. Once it's running, we're going to take our spark advance lever and pull it down just a little bit. You can hear the engine idle up a little bit. That's in the range that it likes. We're going to release our parking brake, put it into reverse, let up off the clutch when it starts to engage. Then you start applying a light throttle. When we're shifting up, we're going to use the double clutch method. So we're going to rev the engine up. We're going to engage the clutch, disengage the clutch and the throttle, let the engine RPM settle, and then shift it into the next gear. Second gear, you'll be pretty much all you'll need for your parade. And we only want to shift into first when we come to a complete stop. Now we can pull our spark advance all the way down and cruise along. Now if in the event we have to downshift, we're going to let off the throttle, push the clutch, apply throttle. What that's doing is it's matching the engine RPM to the wheel RPM to prevent grinding of gears. All right, now that we're back home, first thing I do, I put my parking brake on. I'm going to put my spark advance lever all the way up, and you can hear the idle down. turn the ignition off, and then I'm going to turn my fuel off. And that's it. I really hope you enjoyed your ride. You have a wonderful 4th of July parade, and you have no issues, and you enjoy showing off your beautiful 1930 Model A. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call me. I'll video chat in the morning if you need help starting her up. Okay? I can't wait to see you guys the next time. Thanks so much for letting me have a part in your Model A.